In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and transfer Ethereum to Binance. Now, if you want to deposit Ethereum to Binance, at first open up your Binance, right? Open up your Binance. I'm going to open my Binance. I'll go back. So click on this add funds, right? Click on this. Type in Ethereum. You're going to see the different network that is here. So click on the ERC20 because I think that is the basic one we use, right? So click on it. If you click on it, you're going to be able to copy your Ethereum address. So if you copy it and send to your friends, your family, they can be able to transfer for you Ethereum, right? So if you have some method on your Trust wallet and you love to transfer as well to your Binance, just open up this, right? Click on the send. Paste your Binance address here, select the amount, click on the next, confirm the withdrawal. You're going to be able to transfer or deposit Ethereum to your Binance. If you found this video, appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.